Hi everyone. Today's YouTube will be about wrongful death cases and what you need to open up an estate in the state of Pennsylvania. By its very definition, a deceased person, a person who is killed wrongfully by someone else's carelessness, or what they call the law, cannot file a lawsuit. However, the estate can file a lawsuit on behalf of the deceased. And then the question becomes, what do you need to open up an estate anywhere in the state of Pennsylvania, any county? It's real basic, actually. I mean, there's only 3 points to it. One is you need a will. And if you have a will, you just take it down to the courthouse, usually to the orphans court, with proof that an affidavit that this is the person's signature, the deceased person's signature, and this is who he claims to be. And then the courts will then follow how the will is stated. Should the wife get a certain percentage of his estate? If it's the wife, the children get a certain percentage of it on it. The other issue is a lot of times people don't have a will. And what do you do then? Well, then it's the same procedure. Even without a will, all you have to do is to have a representative of the estate or the family be named as the executor of the estate or the administrator of the estate. This is usually done in combination of the family members. They agree, well, let's have my daughter open up the estate on behalf of all of us. It doesn't matter a whole lot who's named as the executor or administrator, because the money's distributed according to the law. The second thing, it's simple. You need a death certificate. And normally, where do you get a death certificate in order to pursue a wrongful death claim? Usually from the funeral director. We call there all the time regarding getting the original death certificate. You need that in order to show the person died and what the cause of the death was, and the other information with it. And you bring that down to the courthouse with us, and it helps open up the estate. And the last item is you have to have some identification to say if you're going to be the administrator of the estate or administratrix, woman or man. You just have to be able to show by driver's license that you are who you say you are. Really 3 simple things, but in order to pursue a wrongful death claim, a death benefits claim, anything at all regarding the fatality based on the carelessness of someone else or a company or some corporation, you need to get an estate opened up. It's real simple stuff. It's not hard. We do all the paperwork for you. You just have to come down to the courthouse and be sworn in, whoever the administrator or administratrix is, and the estate's opened up. Really basic stuff. Then you can pursue the wrongful death for the serious damages that this fatality has caused on the emotional support of the whole family. Michael wanted to add something to that, I believe.
Yes, as he mentioned in the very beginning, you need an estate. The reason you need to open up an estate is because a dead person can't sue, a dead person can't receive money. So this estate essentially allows someone to be appointed as the figurehead of the estate, and they will pursue the claim that you would have if you had lived against the wrongdoing company. So first step is let's open up this estate, because then we can start going after the wrongdoers.
And that's basically, we probably mentioned it before, but we do all the paperwork for you. You don't do anything. We're based in Pittsburgh, the law firm of Tully & Tully, but we'll travel anywhere throughout the state of Pennsylvania for a wrongful death where we think there's merit to it, and that we could secure a favorable recovery for the family. Bernie Tully and Michael Tully of the law firm of Tully & Tully at 412-281-8700. We're here to help you. It's a free phone call, 412-281-8700. Thank you much.
Yeah, thank you.
We're looking forward to helping you with your wrongful death claim.
Thanks.
Bye.